Hello everyone, how to do? I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use AI Danza AI Dance video maker application. So it's really simple and easy. First of all, you need to install it, then simply tap on the open button. Then you have to agree. So now you can see this is the interface. So you can see here there are a couple of pre-made model. So it's not free totally, but you can still use. For example, there is a lot of make a popular dance. So if you choose anyone, so you can see the bottom part, this option. If you tap here, then body dance and face dance. So you can get two ways: upload a photo and let your picture do wonderful dance. So I'm just going to tap face dance. So now you have to upload your photos. So I'm just going to, I already know, and allow all. So now I'm going to upload image and crop it because it's face. So, and here you can see make yours. So simply tap, but so the thing is, it's not free. You have to buy subscription, and you can see here that is there any option to, no, you must buy, otherwise it's not possible. You need to image to video. You can see here image, all image to video. Once you choose anything, then you have to upload it, but you need to subscription. You need to subscribe. You can choose weekly, 500 points, and it's yearly, 5,000 points. So you need to give premium. Then when you choose any dance, then tap that dance and upload your own, and it will be animated and dancing.